Kenya.
Honorable Senators, kindly take your seats so that we report the vote. Honorable Senators, the vote for the division is as follows. Ayes 31, noes 0, abstentions 0. The ayes have it.
A bill for an act of parliament to amend the Public Finance Management Act and for connected purposes.
Mamwe ma maundu maria maraciririrwo ni kamiti iyo ni hamwe na kumba kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka guku bururiini IEBC, kugathika kigina gia CDF gatiba-ini ya bururi, kumba wabici ya mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro na mangi maingi, na muno makiria kurehe thayu guku bururiini.
Into the constitution, listed as number 1 is the Senate Oversight Fund, the National Government Constituency Development Fund, National Government Affirmative Action Fund. Alongside, Mr. Speaker, other outstanding constitutional matters, issues to do with electoral justice and related matters, the restructuring of IBC. Mr. Speaker, you know we passed a law here, I think in the beginning, towards the end of the second session, Mr. Speaker. Many people held different views about it. We know that there is an already
Maya mothe mokite oriri gikundi kia mawakiri guku bururi-ini mari mihango-ini ya kugathika mitaratara ya gucenjia na kurunga icunji cia gatiba ya bururi iria ikoretwo ikihuthika kwa ihinda ria miaka 13
makihutanio na njira wa cukari kambuni-ini ya Mumias. Honge ici ni ciendekithĩtie President Ruto acionge muhera kuri a Kenya makiuga mĩario ĩno nĩ mũgarũ na watho.
Ya mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto mwena wa Mumias akierekereria kuri aria megwateire kiganda gia cukari kia Mumias na kumakumithia ni kuhotomia mihango ya thirikari ya kwarahura urimi wa cukari guku bururi-ini.
Mtu anaweza kuchukua mali ya wananchi bila kulipa pesa. So hiyo makesi yote iko pale ni makesi ya ukora, na nimeambia watu toeni kesi kwa hii mambo ya Mumias.